God bless you all. So when there is a celebration in school, what do we do first? Any type of celebration. What do we do first? Please give a big hand for him. A visionary man who stands always tall in the school. And I would like to extend my respect for one of the great personality who is the backbone of the school, the principal ma'am, Namrata Singh ma'am. Please give a big hand for her. Please, please, please. Thank you. And one more personality, I would like to present his name, one of the busiest personality of the school. Everyone calls him with a very good name, that is KD sir. Everyone says, whenever I reach to your school, everyone says KD sir, KD sir. So Mr. K. Das sir, please everyone give a huge round of applause for him. Late evening, and while just discussing, there was a very beautiful discussion within that. Okay, I could hear it. That what else can we do to take or to enhance the quality of the students in a better way. We are doing very good. Students are always there with us, developing in a very better way, and parents have always supported us. But what can we do something else, something new to not only build the academics, with that we can build the character. So there is always a question mark after providing so many things in the school. The school is enriched with very beautiful environment. The school is enriched with very beautiful academics. After having hectic situations, after giving different types of academics, they are keen on their setbacks. Setbacks are what? My dear friends, paper corrections. It's a big work being done by the teachers, enhancing the students in a better way, identifying the mistakes and rectifying them in a better way. Not only that, the sleepless nights, they are always good gestures, understanding the emotional intelligence of the students and providing them the best care that is being given by the school. So please do a huge round of applause for all the teachers who have given their best for this academic, for the 10th standard beautiful holders. छूने की आस रखते हैं, जमीन पर रहकर आसमान को छूने की आस रखते हैं। हम अपनी मुट्ठी में सितारों का निवास रखते हैं। हम अपनी मुट्ठी में सितारों का निवास रखते हैं। आज की ये सुबह सिर्फ एक जश्न नहीं दोस्तों, आज की ये सुबह सिर्फ एक जश्न नहीं दोस्तों, हम अपनी आंखों में नए ख्वाबों का विश्वास रखते हैं। So we have a beautiful dream that to be changed every day. It is not that a dream is being wondered or just while sleeping you are thought for doing something in your life. Having interest to do something will never take you to that high. But if you chase your dreams in a proper way, understanding your values, understanding the qualities that you have, understanding your responsibilities, that will make you go high and high. As your school is having a very good short form, that is sky. The sky is your limit. My dear friends, please give a huge round of applause for the school. These corridors are not buildings. This beautiful building is being enriched with the emotions, the teachings, the respect, the love, the distance, the failures, the setbacks being faced in their day-to-day life every day. So it's not that one day we have done it. We have taken a lot of days, a lot of months to build such a beautiful result. So when it comes to celebration, we should always stand strong. And when it comes to understand the value of the school, as per the words, I would like to say that purity, patience and perseverance, these are the three essentials of success. But above all is love. So first, love your school. Go mad for your school. The school which is providing you your future in a better way, nourishing, cherishing, and developing your qualities, your inner that you should go and you should enhance yourself and work on that way. So when we create a gag, thank you, sir. Students, it is the time to celebrate. See all the teachers, please come to here. We say hot sun sour, not hot sun days. Don't worry for it. For the 2 minutes we will start our cake cutting, and now, students, you see that all the 10th class students up here in front of you. All of you listen carefully. Now in front of you, all the 10th class students, those are present here today, successfully completed their 10th class and 10th board results. And you know that this time, school highest is 99% of Saraswati Maya. A big clap for him. And Siddharth Mai, 97%, the second topper. Sir and Ayusha, both are 94%. A big clap for them. Then all of our students, our Deepali and your name, Swati. So everybody is here. So they are the example of ours. And what is the success? The behind one thing is their success is hard work. What hard work?
Yes, everybody.
Hard work means not only that we'll sit only to the books, it is our hard work. Hard work means completely dedication towards the books. Yesterday I have listened the topper of the nation, she should one line. I am writing continuously 30 to 35 pages every day. And rigorously I am writing, that's why my hand speed is more. And I give all the answers. I expected 99, but it comes 100%. So now it is the time to celebrate. We cut the cake with the 10th class student, with our respected principal madam and all teachers. So please come to the stage for a cake cutting ceremony. All of the teachers.
Ayusha and I'm from Sri Krishna International School. Actually, I'm very happy that I scored 94% and it is all because of my parents, my teachers who encouraged me in every path, every step I took. And I used to study for 8 to 10 hours a day, sometimes 12 when I don't, like in weekends. And I feel glad that I achieved this much. It was all because of my teachers and parents.
Myself Saraswat Srichandan. I am from Sri Krishna International School and I am very happy to secure the 99% marks of the 10th board exam. It is due to all of the motivation given by my parents and also our teachers, and also due to my hard work. But it's not a work that no one can achieve it. Everybody can achieve, but you have to do hard work and also be dedicated to secure how much you have determined to get it. And first of all, we have to read all of the initiative books because this is the base of to get higher marks. So first you have to focus on everything to get what you are determined. So don't lose hope and always try hard to achieve what you determine. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Siddharth Panda. I am a student of Standard 10 from Sri Krishna International School who has just scored 97% in his 10th board exams. To score this much of percent, I have read NCERT minimum 10 times and scored 200 questions per chapter to clear my concepts. So who are coming this year to give board exams, all the best to those students. All the best to those students. Thank you.
So good morning everybody. So today is a very happy moments for Sri Krishna International School. You know that Sri Krishna International School is a very academically very strong school in Bhubaneswar. Reality that you see that all the 10th class students are now with me, and you know that today result is declared. So CBSE result declaration has already shows in Odisha people are done very nicely the result and get the percentage highest in this year. So better is that in Sri Krishna International School we are giving the 90 students given the examinations and 100% results this time. It's a very beautiful things for the Sri Krishna again. 100% students are passed, and you can imagine all the students are more than 60%. That is actually aim and objective of Sri Krishna, that every students in every subject they will get 60%. It is a thing that teachers have taken the vows, and it is practically possible in this campus because of the efforts of the teachers, mentor and guide by the principal ma'am, and the main objective of the chairman sir, so that every student will get that. But 50% students we targeted to 90%, and you see that all the 90% students are here. The highest score this time 2026 is 99%, and we are very happy for that. And congratulations to all my students of 10th class, and congratulations all to the parents, my teachers, mentors, and congratulations to myself, and congratulations to our respected principal madam and chairman sir. Especially I will say that this year Sri Krishna rocks a lot, and more than 90% students are there. 15 students are got the 90% and above the scores. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip! Hip hip! Long live Sri Krishna! Thank you. Have a nice day all of you.